welcome back to Two Cute Makers. Today we are making Cutie-Mallows. So Mary Kate, what do we need for today's Cutie-Mallows?
Chocolate melted and Astros sprinkles marshmallows and 2 scissors and sticks.
So then you have to clip off or ask a parent to help you cut the edges off to make it safer. So what you'll need to do is melt the chocolate. You'll need to ask your parents for this because you're not magic like me. So then next you are going to take a marshmallow and stick it on and then just dip the top into the chocolate. Put an Astro on, and then you put some nice sprinkles on, and then voila, this is a Cutie-Mallow.